Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video you will watch crochet shrug and sweater designs that are trendy and latest, are one of the most stylish and versatile fashion trends for every season. Whether you love soft boho looks, elegant layering pieces, cozy winter fashion, or lightweight summer outfits, crochet shrugs and beautiful and handmade charm to every wardrobe. From delicate mesh shrugs to chunky, oversized patterns, there are endless creative ideas that make crochet fashion look modern, trendy, and timeless at the same time. One of the most popular crochet shrug styles is the lightweight summer shrug. These designs are usually made with breathable yarn, open stitches, floral motifs, and airy sleeves that feel comfortable even in warm weather. Women love wearing these shrugs over tank tops, dresses, beachwear, and casual outfits because they instantly create a fashionable layered look without feeling heavy. Neutral shades like beige, white, soft pastels, beige colors make the shrug look elegant and classy. Oversized crochet shrugs are another beautiful trend that gives a relaxed and cozy appearance. These shrugs often feature low sleeves, textured stitches, and flowy silhouettes that look perfect with jeans. While like pants or long dresses, many crochet artists create oversized shrugs using granny square patterns because they give a vintage handmade aesthetic that never goes out of style. These shrugs often feature intricate stitchwork, floral lace motifs, color borders, and felted sleeves that create a graceful feminine
Colorful
look.
granny square mixed
Brides
with orange
sometimes
tones
wear
create a
white
unique
crochet
bohemian
shrugs
vibe
over
loved by fashion or
sleeveless dresses
love
for weddings
lovers
or
formal
formal
gatherings.
cardigan
Black
cushion
sleeve
sleeves.
shrugs so
Crochet shrugs
also
designs are
look
especially
sophisticated when
popular
played.
with evening outfits, adding texture and beauty without empowering the dress underneath. Bolero style crochet shrugs are perfect for those who prefer short and style layering pieces. These shrugs usually sit above the waist and ideal for pairing with maxi dresses, crop tops, or fitted outfits. Many modern crochet blouses include puff sleeves, mesh patterns, or geometric motifs that give a trendy designs inspire appearance. Some creators also decorate them with tassels, fringes, beads, or shell borders to make the designs more eye-catching. Crochet shrug designs for winter focus more on warmth and texture. Chunky joints, ribbed stitch, cable inspired crochet patterns, and long sleeves help create cozy shrugs perfect for cold weathers. Earthy shades like coffee, brown, olive green, rust, charcoal, and deep creams are especially fashionable during autumn and winter seasons. Layering these shrugs with boards or scarves and turtlenecks creates a complete cozy fashion look. Some modern crochet shrugs designs also combine different techniques such as mesh crochet, flower motifs, granny squares, and textured stitches in one piece. This fusion style gives the shrug a luxurious handmade appearance as the style stands out beautiful in fashion photography and social media style inspiration. Many fashion creators now prefer asymmetrical shrugs, batching sleeves, and kimono style
Crochet
crochet
shrugs are
shrugs
not only
because they
fashionable
look
but also
stylish while
highly
remaining
customizable and
comfortable.
easy
You
to
can
wear.
create minimalistic new designs for elegant styling or choose vibrant colorful yarn combination for playful boho aesthetics. Handmade crochet shrugs reflects creativity, comfort, and individuality, making them one of the most loved pieces in modern crochet fashion. Crochet sweater designs are one of the most loved handmade fashion trends because they combine comfort, warmth, creativity, and timeless style. From oversized cozy sweaters to elegant fitted pullovers, crochet sweaters are completely transform a simple outfit into a fashionable statement look. Modern crochet fashion now includes minimalistic neutral sweaters, colorful bow styles, texture oversized pieces, vintage inspired patterns, and trendy cropped sweaters that are perfect for every season. Oversized crochet sweaters are especially popular because they create a relaxed and cozy appearance while remaining stylish and modern. These sweaters often features look Sweet sleeves, chunky texture, ribbed curves, and soft neutral colors that paired beautifully with jeans, leggings, or skirts. Cream beige, coffee brown, dusty pink, olive green, and charcoal grey are among the most fashionable shades for oversized crochet sweaters. Many crochet lovers prefer chunky yarn and texture stitches to create warm winter ready designs that feel luxurious and comfortable. Crop sweaters are another huge trend in modern fashions. These sweaters usually have lightweight buttons, airy stitches, and shorter length that make them ideal for casual outfits and layering styling. They look especially beautiful with high-waisted jeans, maxi skirts, shorts, or summer trousers. Some crop sweaters include balloon sleeves, mesh details, or lace-inspired patterns that give so feminine aesthetic loved by fashion creatives and influences. Greene square crochet sweaters continue to remain timeless in handmade fashions. These colorful sweaters combine vintage charm with artistic creativity. Many modern designs now use muted earthy tones or pastels color palettes instead of extremely highly combinations, making Greene square sweaters look more elegant and wearable for everyday fashion. Patchwork crochet sweaters with geometric motifs, floor squares, or striped arrangement are especially eye-catching and unique. For elegant and classic looks, fitted crochet sweaters with delicate stitch work are highly fashionable. These sweaters often feature less textures, subtle patterns, fitted sleeves, and soft trapping silhouettes that create graceful appearance. Neutral monochrome sweaters in ivory, black, white, camel, or soft gray are easy to style and always remain in fashion. Some elegant crochet sweaters also include turtlenecks, bust sleeves, collab hems, or open back tails for a designer inspired look. Boho crochet sweaters are perfect for those who love artistic and free inspired fashion. These sweaters often include French tails, low silhouettes, earthy colors, floral motifs, and handmade texture that creates a natural, relaxed vibe. Kimono style crochet sweaters and oversized poncho inspired pullover are especially loved for beachwear layering and autumn styling. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, share, and please like this video. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. These sweaters are beautiful because every design feels personal and handmade, whether simple or minimalistic or colorful and artistic. These sweaters showcase creativity, comfort, and timeless craftsmanship. Modern crochet sweaters and shrugs fashion continues to evolve with new textures, silhouettes, and styling ideas, making crochet sweaters and shrugs one of the most versatile and stylish handmade clothing piece today. So watch whole video till the end. You can share it with your friends and crochet lovers. Please subscribe our channel.